When it comes to wedding venues, most couples care about the same three things. First, privacy. You want the day to feel personal, not like people are wandering through your ceremony. Second, a reception space that feels warm and intentional, not overly decorated, not too plain. And third, having everything close together. Getting ready, ceremony, reception, no driving, no rushing. This venue checks all of that, with open land, a restored barn, and an on-site house that keeps the whole day flowing. It makes the wedding feel organized without feeling overplanned. This is Stone Valley Estates. Book a tour in our bio.